We're really excited to be launching the first in the Bridge Leadership Series, kicking off with our first workshop, Self-Awareness and Emotional Intelligence, here in London on the 27th of February. I'm really excited by this course because I believe that self-awareness is one of the key attributes that all leaders can benefit from. We need to recognize how our teams see us, and also that we are always on stage. To be a visionary leader or to guide a company through a transformation or simply on the day-to-day interactions that we have with team members, it's key to see it through their lens. I remember once a few years ago I was dealing with a very senior leader in a contact center. Interviewing her team, they found her quite lacking empathy and reasonably cold. However, her view of self was very different, and one that was very directional and focused. Having spent a day in the contact center, I viewed all different kinds of interactions, and I can see both sides of that. So after working with her a little bit, I got her to see how they saw her and how some of her interactions could change, whether it be leading a team meeting or simply on a walkthrough of the contact center environment. With making a few small changes to the way in which she presented herself, the whole situation transformed itself. The team became much more interactive, much more excited by her presence, because she was fantastic at what she did. She simply wasn't presenting herself in that way. So in this course, we're going to delve into self-awareness and work in a collaborative environment on how we can present ourselves and get the end result in which we desire. And then also mixing this with all the elements of emotional intelligence, whether it be how we manage our emotions, empathy, leading teams, social skills. When we combine all of the emotional intelligence elements together, which does include self-awareness, we can create an amazing leadership qualities, one that both guides teams, but also one that inspires them to follow, but also inspires them to lead as well. I believe that all leaders need to guide their teams, not only on a daily basis, but guide them to see themselves as part of the living brands and part of that organization. I'm really excited by this course, and we've got some great delegates, and together we're going to share experiences, share honesty with each other, and in that, create a much stronger leadership style. I encourage you to come along. We still have a few tickets left. So for all information, go to our website at insidebridge.com, go to the event section and look for self-awareness and emotional intelligence. I hope to see you there.